then and then ke fetsa go rwala manyene re tsenya jewelry because I refuse to look like my problems. I am not going to look like my problems. I refuse. So ne kere ke go tlotlele gore I know gore ne kere le ke lo etsa that garden day photo photo thing ga go kgona go e etsa tšhomi because yanong ko e etsa yang ke lenyawana ko e etsa yang mpolaela gore ke lo e etsa yang ke le lenyawana. I need my copper today because I need healing. Copper is for healing tšhomi. So my copper is like decorated with this ruby stones. These are my best stones. Mara it's a copper. It's copper. I need this today more than ever. I need healing. So I'm attracting healing with my copper. And then I'm tutorizing it with my evil eye bangle. Kitty crystals, but they look like an eye, so it's like, show me. Today we need all the security that we can get because I don't know what is going on. It's not a make sure. It's not a make sure, but it's about grant. What about grant? And then what else? So I'm not in the mood. How can I smile, look pretty? Kafa, I am feeling like down. Because the way the way I feel and then this is my gold bangle. I'm sticking them like because I want something to yeah, like that. So I just take it like that, and then I need my stones. These are my the gemstones. Get the stones for healing, aligning, all these things. Money, healing, anything. The chakras. These are your 7 chakras. This ones. Marunali, what you call my best stone here as well. So I'm not playing that game today. Not today, Satan. Not today, Satan. Okay, and then scarf I'm gonna bling. So these are my new collections of my chains. The chain or the bangle chains. So these are my new collections. The clothes shine for today. The clothes shine. I'm going to shine. And this one is the new one as well. And I'm straight it what one. So we refuse to feel the way we look. What else do I need? It's a similar money. I need my cap. I want to look cute today. It's kind of get ready with me, chit chat, and I want to feel it's a better, Wow. And got wow, you look so cute on the comment section. I say, wow, you look so cute and stuff. When you try, this thing, when you try to get your life back together, like you start eating healthy, you start exercising, and then this nasty spirit, this nasty one, it wants to drag you down, Because the first week, I just started like my serious dieting and exercising, like intense exercising the way other people know me. Other people know me kill a gym freak. I was in that spirit. Monday were thing, like the following Monday were thing. when I look at myself, I saw as if this huge person. I didn't like the way I looked, like my body parts, my tummy, my thighs. I didn't like anything that I was seeing with my eyes that day, that Monday. But I was like, nah, let me just today. What is today? Today is Friday. Ka Thursday ke ga ke go bala lengwele, and ka Wednesday ke ga ke go bala, like it's tsogile Thursday ke na le a pain on my hip, like ha ke tsamaya there was a pain on my hip, and then now it's the knee. Friday it's the knee. Go gontsi ene ke monnyane ene ke mokhutswane, go gontsi ke monnyane ene ke mokhutswane. Like ke go bontsha gore so insane. Crown e ne ke re ka etsa ke I wanted this, and then ne ke kgethile the roses. I was gonna stack the roses like this side, honey cute and stuff, do makeup and stuff, but I can't. I don't feel like doing all those things. While we are here, let's unbox my new earphones. If you saw the vlog ya ka ya ko Cape Town, you know where I had ear problems when I was in the plane. 20 minutes to landing, and then my traumas from childhood was like surfacing a higher grade, and I was like, yo, so I want to get the earphones. Let me unbox because wow, when I'm down, no one is happy in this house, I'm telling you. Kilo collector, those little people of this house. And that mom active. I'm very active with this boys. Very, very very active. So they look like Contolina thing. Marikidi Marshall. And then Masai thing dinale 100 plus hours of wireless playtime. Yeah, that's all. Wireless charging, Bluetooth. Yeah, they didn't say had important. They didn't say important actually. So they look like this. They look so fancy. This packaging is so fancy. Oh, so fancy. So I want to earphone and you might see me get somewhere else. Get that plane. So you better subscribe. And then subscribe. Make sure for the next trip you don't miss it. Oh, this is so nice. This is so nice. Cause the ones that I was using, my cushion, yes, not hurting, and they look cute and stuff. They look very nice. So, and na di tole ga mona go yang wena. Ha se tse di nang le di bekenyana tsa teng ka mogare. Ke tleng ke di bona. No, it's not those ones, but it looks like something nearly sunset. Oh, there's the chargers and cables. Come on, cables and things. Charger, and then if like high fidelity battery, you can use this, and I can even use this when I'm editing, because normally when I'm sitting here editing my videos I use the volcano volcano situationship, but we have cables, and yeah, we're looking cute. We are going to look cute next coming vacation. We are going to look very cute, very cute. And then in regular there's a book. Let me put you up here. So we are learning plants. When I teach you about plants, I don't just suck it out of my thumb. I do the research and then I invest in my knowledge. So I bought this book for garden, indigenous garden plants, So when I teach you about something and I tell you what this plant is doing this, it's from some research of some sort. Okay. And most of the herbs that I teach you about, that I tell you about, is the herbs that our ancestors were using. Okay. When I tell you gore tsamaya o ile o batla molebatsa o go thusa gore ha o tlhapa ka one, the trauma incidents tse leng gore they happen to you, tsamaya o tlhapa ka molebatsa and talk to that medication when you're taking a bath. Tell that medication what you need. It helps. The traumas are gonna be like, if only 100%, the traumas are going to be like, Boma, you're going to remember, but it's not gonna be like, the memory is going to be there, but it's not gonna come. The emotions, they are, they are very like intense, you know, because sometimes people are dealing with traumas that they're very big, and then you don't know how to handle it. Therapy is not helping. You went to sangomas are not helping. You went to Mam Sebelet, it's not working. You went to church to pray, it's not helping. And then you find this video, and I'm telling you, for Chomi, find Mulebatsa. Let me show you Mulebatsa, Chomi. Wait. When I tell you, Chomi, find this Mulebatsa, usile, tsenya mo metsing, tlhape, and then talk to your medication. Remember, plants, roots, water, you know, soil, those are things that Mother Nature works with. When I tell you something like that, I'm just sucking that thing and I don't know what I'm talking about. I know exactly what I'm talking about. You see, I have it here. If you have bad intentions, you come here to this house and you have bad intentions and you are thinking something crazy, this thing is going to make you forget it. You are going to be welcomed, but you are going to forget whatever nasty thing that you are trying to come and leave it in this house. O hoplos ntse ka gate re yo. Dimo ke lebetse o latlhela sos. And then it can like how sa feel hantle, this thing can like absorb those, you know, it makes you, I forgot the English name. There's an English name. I'll try to find the English name of this plant. I know people but we'll talk about it some other time when you're ready. When you are ready, you guys are so scared of things that you don't know. I don't know why. Like if somebody comes to you and tell you, take this thing, and then you take this leaf, and then you have a sore throat or you have a congested chest pains and whatever, take this, chew it and eat it. You're going to feel better. You're going to feel okay. You don't believe. Why? That's a story for another day. I think I'm just downloading too much content. I knew it. I knew it. I might come with a plan for Reno. I might come with a help. I'm coming with a help. But when you have a spirit of brokenness, bones being broken, and there's a spirit se le sa gore bana ba robege matsogo, spirit se le sa gore go robegiwe matsogo go etsagaleng. Ha se tla spirit se gore se tsamaisa yang, I might come with a video like that. Or if you've been like o robegile and then o batla fola ka pele inside, and then ke tla le setlhare sa marapo sa gore sa marapo se se tswang ko bonkgole le bontate. You guys are so scared of things that you don't know. You're so scared to you know, to not adventurous with this herbs and things. And then I work with herbs. Good gardening. How you work with lavenders, you work with cinnamon, you work with rosemary and things like that. You're scared. Why? Why are you scared? Yes, thank you for listening to me. Yapping. I'm just yapping. There's nothing. I wanna say yapping. I just wanted to feel, you know, alive. And then now you guys, you are listening to me. Now I feel bad. Yeah, when I started this video, I was like, but now I feel, and this deep heat is, I can feel the coldness because this one is a cold freeze. This one is for arthritis, muscle ache, joint pain, inflammation, swelling, sprains, and strains. Post-exercise recovery. Wait, this one. So, ke re kgotsa go nna monyana wa Motshwana a go tswa kwa Rusty Dusty Mahlangeng ke re twere bye guys a re ke tsamaye ke bone gate leoto gate le ntshwaretseng because wow when you see me just say wow just say ke apere le di-shorto today because I need ga nka letsa yana thata la ya ko morago yana pain e tswang fa so at least this thing is I want in restricted not to like to pull it back because ke na le this thing ya gore ga ke itshilla show me my muscles are coming back batho ba nang le jealous my muscles are coming hey bona le sentle but I can feel it. I'm back to exercising next week. But you can see like when go thata ne go ke thata fa malo so take it some ga go fetsa o bua bye bye.